Most DJs run from YouTube because of copyright issues. But Brady Beats and the Token Girl turned it into their biggest stage, growing to over 44,000 fans, real-world bookings, and their own record label. So in this video, I'll show you how they navigate copyright, gain hundreds of followers every time they live stream, and how you can use their strategies to grow your own DJ brand and channel. Brady Beats and the Token Girl aren't DJs with giant teams or major label backing. They're a real-life couple who started DJing together in their living room during the lockdowns.
We were dating at the time, and I would drive over to his house every day after work, and I would bake cookies for him and his friends that would DJ in the living room. And then one day I was like, I want to learn how to do this. So then he taught me how to DJ, and that was when I moved in like 6 months later into his place.
First, they were just dating. Then they were DJing, and the next thing you know, they're running their own label and streaming sets to thousands online. But their story isn't what you'd expect, because before YouTube blew up for them, they tried Twitch like everyone else.
We tried Twitch too, but we never had any luck. We would stream and we wouldn't even have like one person.
But here's where most DJs give up. They didn't. They took a shot at YouTube, at first just because they'd already had the channel, but the difference was instant.
For whatever reason, like, we never went back, because once YouTube started doing well, we just stuck with that. We already had a YouTube channel. We were already invested in YouTube. Once they like started allowing us to stream, things really started to like skyrocket over there.
So what actually made YouTube work?
YouTube is just, it's the biggest platform, or one of them. You know, it has all of the songs that Spotify has, plus everything else that YouTube has. We want people to hear our music. We want people to see what we do.
We have big dreams.
YouTube is the best platform for that. Like, they encourage, you know, long play content. And when you DJ on there, a lot of people see you and you get subscribers, and you get way more subscribers from a DJ set.
So if you're grinding away on Twitch or stuck playing club sets nobody remembers, maybe it's time to see what happens when you treat YouTube as your main stage. And I think the takeaway here is that if you're not seeing the growth or success you want, no matter where you are or what you're doing, you have to try different things. You have to mix it up. But what about making money streaming on YouTube? The real value in streaming for Brady Beats and the Token Girl isn't in the tips or the subs, it's the audience they build. That's their goal and their leverage. Brady Beats and the Token Girl are very clear about it.
It's more so about putting out our brand, putting out our music, sharing it with the world, and that's really kind of our outlook on it. You know, we don't need to make the money on that.
So on YouTube, every live stream is a way to reach new people and grow your following. And that following can give you a global fan base.
And like right now you have over 20,000 subscribers, right?
Over 44,000. Yeah, over 44,000 subscribers.
Yeah,
Oh, you're 44,000. Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's doing okay.
Wow.
It's doing okay.
With a big audience behind them, doors open, more bookings, more collaborations, more opportunities, both on and off YouTube.
It's definitely helped us, you know, grow in popularity in local South Florida. So we've been able to leverage that growth on YouTube to get additional events, and then we built more on top of it.
So if you're focused on making money just from streams, you might be missing the point and the payout. Build your audience, build your leverage, and everything else follows. But here's what really sets YouTube apart. You're not just chasing numbers, you're building a community that shows up for you on and off the stream. Brady Beats and the Token Girl learned this firsthand.
It looks kind of like a stock that just goes up. It just like starts down here and it just goes up to the right, and it's just been growing and building and compounding. But you know, when we first started, like, we didn't have a moderator. We didn't really know what we were doing. And like, we built these relationships with like really great people. So now it's like very professional when you come in there. It's like people are very welcomed. There's a vibe. There's definitely like a why and a what in that room. So like, we're just rolling with it. We love the moderators, and like, we really, really love DJing. So we're just like really happy with the way it's going, you know.
And it's not limited to home studios. Brady Beats and the Token Girl stream straight from their weekly bar residency at art events and anywhere there's a crowd.
We've had a residency at a local bar called Riptides. So we just thought, hey, we're already doing these gigs, we'll just go live from here. And it's cool because the Del Rey location, they do fire spinning out back. So what we'll do is we'll ask everyone if they want to take a field trip outside. We'll bring them outside, show them the fire spinning, which is really cool. And then any gig that we have, really, even if it's on weekends, we'll live stream, so we do art events. We have a monthly art event we do, and just really anywhere, we have a gig.
The result, their audience isn't just followers. It's a scene, a network, and social proof that unlocks new opportunities every week. Live streaming on YouTube didn't just build their audience, it opened doors they never expected. Suddenly, DJing wasn't just a hobby, and it wasn't about playing music for friends in the living room. Brady Beats and the Token Girl took things further, and they launched their own record label.
I mean, it's a very small, independent, label. It's a way for us to distribute our own music. Getting signed to labels is a whole thing and a lot of work, and it's in today's day and age you can make your own, so that's what we did. We've learned a lot. It's come a long way, and we think that over the next 10 to 20 years, if we keep going, that it could be a really nice label with a great collection of music, and hopefully one day we get more artists under us. But it's very small, it's very independent, it's really just a distribution arm for us.
Yeah, Electric Safari Records.
But it doesn't stop at releasing tracks. YouTube became their living portfolio, an online EPK anyone can see, where every set is proof of what they can do, and every video becomes part of their brand story.
We want to DJ for, 10,000 hours and really become masters in this craft, and we want to DJ every week, and we will take a gig anywhere. We want experience, we want to get out there. We appreciate that opportunity.
The grind is real, but the platform rewards it. The more they stream, the bigger their video catalog gets, the more people discover them, and the more their vision grows.
The next phase of our career, we want to tour and do bigger things, and that will be the next growth stage of our career. But it's a lot of work and time to get there. We have our head down, we DJ all the time, we're super focused, and that's what we're focusing on.
So if you're still on the fence about trying live streaming, listen, because I asked Brady Beats and the Token Girl what they'd tell any DJ thinking about starting to stream.
Don't be afraid and just do it. Just do it. It's not going to be perfect your first time. And then what you do after you do it is you watch it and you see what you can do better the next time. And you're consistent and you just keep doing it. And that's how we did it. We made mistakes. The sound quality wasn't good. The picture wasn't good. And it's navigating a bunch of variables. And the only way you're going to learn is by doing it and doing it yourself. There isn't a book on this,
No one's going to make it happen for you. You can't parachute in every now and then and expect to blow up. The ones who win, they keep showing up as their authentic selves, even if no one is watching.
I would tell DJs to carve out your own lane. Be yourself, find your own taste, your own sound, your own style. Don't go and do, Afro house because it's huge. If you don't really get with that, be original. That's what you have to do. If you're just going to copy everybody else, you're not going to get noticed.
And if you're worried about criticism or the haters in your comments and chat,
just have confidence to do it. A lot of us are afraid of being criticized or made fun of. And yeah, there's people out there that bully, but it's not you, it's them. So just focus on you. And if you love what you're doing, there are going to be other people out there in the world that love what you do, and they're going to support you. They're going to believe in you and side with you. And you just got to stay focused on that and ignore any of the negativity out there.
So here's your takeaway. Your first streams will be rough. You'll make mistakes. People might troll you, but the only way to level up, grow, and open real doors is to start, to keep showing up, and to make your stream truly your own. Because the real main stage isn't a club or a festival. It's wherever you show up. And if you want more fans and better gigs and real leverage as a DJ, start treating your live stream like your main stage. Get out of your comfort zone, hit that go live button, and see how far you can really go. And if you want to see what this looks like in action, check out their channel. It is right here.